How to buy on Shein without credit card. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, launch a preferred browser and search for Shein or tap on into your Shein application. Make sure that you are logged in into your Shein account. To buy an item off your Shein, you need to select on the particular item to purchase. You can select one from Super Deals, which will sell items on discount or wholesale price. Just head on and tap on an item. From here, select on Add to Cart. Once it is successfully added, then tap on the cart icon at the top. Select on Checkout. In here, you'll find various of payment methods such as PayPal, credit or debit card, your Klarna, Afterpay, Cash App Pay, Google Pay, and more. You can tap on any of the payment method that is suitable for you. For an example, if I select on PayPal, tap on the PayPal option, to which the next step would be to log in into my PayPal account. If I have enough balance, then I would be able to purchase the item off Shein easily. And this is how you can buy on Shein without credit card. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.